What's up guys, I'm Nick with Krietz Customs. I want to take you into our 2022 Ford Bronco Badlands full build. Let's check it out. Alright guys, so let's take a look first at our wheel and tire package. We went with the black fuel rebar. This is the fuel rebar 6 offered by Fuel. It's got a great concave shape, a lot of intricate design without being too flashy, but not being too simple. As far as tires go, we went with the 35-1250 R22 NITTO Ridge Grappler. This is a hybrid tire that NITTO offers and is one of the most premier tires on the market, which is why we outfit most of our vehicles with them. As far as lift kit goes, we did a 2.5-inch full strut rough country N3 package. Now, when you're stacking it up against Fox shocks, there's no doubt Fox shock is going to have your softest ride quality. But for your daily driver and at the best price point you can get, rough country is without a doubt the one that you want to have on your vehicle and that we put on all of ours. So as far as trimming goes, because that's the question a lot of people want to know, there is trimming and cutting that's required on these Broncos. One of the things that you will find is that there's going to be cutting of the crash bars. Now, this isn't going to affect your performance by any means. However, it is necessary to have proper wheel clearance and not have any rubbing or scrubbing when you drive. So after that, we also went ahead and did a little bit of trimming of the felt liners in the wheel well. This is mostly towards the cab portion. This again allows for no rubbing or scrubbing with these wheels and tires that have a -44 offset and this much more aggressive stance. So here comes the big question. What can you do to your Bronco? As you can tell, we don't have a lot done to it besides the wheels, lift, and tires, but there are some other options. Some things you can do to these Broncos is throw a completely different bumper on here. This is really good when you want to have that real aggressive off-roading aesthetic. Another option you can do with Krietz is actually paint match any of these accessories, whether that be your bumper, your grille, the letters, fender flares, you name it. Now, you can paint match it to actually match the vehicle, which is a great option. Say you want a yellow grille, by all means we can do that. Or you want to throw a black one on there just because it gives it that rough look, we can do that too. One benefit though I do recommend that we offer at Krietz is a paint protective film. You just spent all that money on a new paint job and why not keep it safe? These Broncos are slick vehicles, they look good off-road, but they look even better without paint chips or any damage that can come. So we offer paint protective film and I highly recommend you throw it on there as well. Other things that you can do are different fender flare options. Some companies out there, Bushwhacker and Rough Country, have different varieties than your factory one. It might not be just for looks reasons, but you just want something a little different than stock, well, we can do that as well. So feel free to let us know what you might want to do. Hey guys, so thanks for tuning in and checking out our full Bronco build today. If you want to go ahead and replicate this Bronco build or customize your own, feel free to give us a call at 301-694-4642. Feel free to follow us on all of our social media platforms, including YouTube, so you can see more content that we have. Thanks and have a good one.